In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Gemini voice command not working issue, so let's get started. First, make sure your microphone permission is enabled. Open your device settings, go to Apps, find Gemini, then open permissions and allow microphone access. Next, check your internet connection. Gemini voice commands require a stable connection, so switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh the network. After that, open the Gemini app and make sure voice input is enabled inside the app settings. Look for voice, speech, or assistant settings and turn on voice features if they are disabled. If it still doesn't work, clear the app cache. Go to Settings, Open Apps, select Gemini, then tap Storage and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary glitches without deleting your data. Also make sure your Google app and Gemini app are updated to the latest version from the Play Store, since outdated versions can break voice commands. Finally, restart your device and try using the voice command again inside Gemini. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Gemini voice command not working. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials.